Real nice, people. If you're gonna buy a Danby, very careful. Wanted to show you guys what happened in my house, just so you people don't think just trying to pull some kind of bullshit. There's all this stuff. Take a look, so you don't think it's an old unit. Show you how clean it is. See it, everyone? That's right. Real nice. Nice clean unit. Yep. Get a load of this. Lucky it put itself out. Caught fire. Melted everything inside the freezer. Well, it went bad. Look. Burned. Caught fire. Lucky it put itself out. Everything, the stink is just unreal. Look. Pretty gross, huh? Anyway, be careful if you're buying them. The company will always hide. But there it is. Burned. Caught fire while we're on vacation. And lucky enough, I guess, it put itself out. Well, Danby, yeah, well, you can deny whatever you want.